Alright, so here's a Diehard portable power. Come to find out, after letting it charge all night, that it doesn't hold any power. So, I tear it apart. Oh yeah, looks like there's 4 screws on this side. Sorry if I'm not talking, but quite often I have no idea what to talk about. Alright. Let's see here. These are magnetic. There we go. Okay, and there's 4 on the other side. Kind of what I was figuring. As for anybody who is wondering, have you made any money? Well, very little. I made a grand total of 15 bucks with this so far. A lot of that was scrapping out metal and aluminum cans, taking those to the recycler. So I doubt I'll ever be rich from this. Well, like I said, it's more to tear apart electronics and help others get rid of their e-waste. Which, it looks like I have a third pickup coming up here later on this week. I already had somebody else contact me about coming and picking up some stuff. Alright. So, we have a couple boards in here, and a battery and lots of cabling. Because that's what this is. This is a dead battery from another one of these I got earlier. Here's some extruded aluminum. For those of you who don't know what extruded means that the manufacturer made this piece, had a die setup, so essentially a cutout piece or part, and they put a piece of metal on it, like hydraulic ram comes down, it goes and makes that piece. It's not milled, it's essentially forced through a press. Which means, even though aluminum cans are made the same way, same exact way, but they're made from a little puck about this big around. But this aluminum is a higher grade of aluminum than aluminum cans. So it's a higher quality of aluminum. 4 little screws on here. There we go. See, here's a board on here. Which this thing was riveted to. Great. Just great. Alright. Fine. Let's pull you out. Looks like everything else is soldered on here. Zip tie. Purple, red, white, brown, and another white one. There we go. I should be getting quite a few nice chunks of brass out of this. And copper. Looks of it. There we go. That's a plastic bracket. Ooh, steel. Take out these screws and get this. Looks like a pump. You know, a little one-cylinder pump. Yep, see? This goes around, and this little cylinder in here goes up and down and makes air pressure. That's cool. Take this wire off. Jeez. Sweating up a storm. Can't tell all this is sweat. Yeah, I know, disgusting, right? Sadly, I inherited how much I sweat for both sides of the family. I've been told, I don't know whether it's accurate or not, that sweating profusely like I do is part of being German. A little fan. See, here's a little piece of brass right there. Let's see if I can pop this off. Oop, yep, there we go. Oh, those are some tiny screws. I should be able to pull the motor out. Because this is a motor. I can put that on my little motor bin. Alright. Screw out. Let's see what's back here. Nothing. Okay. Let's turn this over. Oh, great. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 screws. I'm gonna undo those and come.